Welcome to Robots of London, suppliers of robot hardware and bespoke software. We sell and advise on a range of humanoid robots for your business in a number of key specialist areas. We supply robots for use as receptionists anywhere in the world and in any language. We also supply humanoid and social robots for use in offices, retail, hospitality, care homes and hospitals. Whether you are looking for a robot concierge for your hotel, or a desktop robot assistant for use in a care home, our programmers are able to enable the robot functionality to meet your requirements. Our robots are regularly used by TV production companies and advertising agencies, as well as conference organizers and exhibition stands for short-term hire. We offer unique digital robots for use online, as well as unique autonomous robot holograms for permanent installations, as well as for short-term hire. Our clients include BBC, ITV, Goldman Sachs, Oracle, Adobe, EY, Deloitte, and the NHS amongst hundreds of others, and we operate globally.